Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Fashion Girly Hacks. Are you tired of spending an hour on your hair every single morning? Today we are talking about the ultimate freedom low maintenance short hairstyle. We have curated the best looks that require zero effort but look like just walked out of a salon. Let's jump into the countdown. First up, we have the Texture Pixie. This is the queen of low maintenance. Whether you have straight or wavy hair, a feathered pixie allows you to literally wake up. Run some styling cream through your fingers and walk out the door. It's edgy, it's chic, and it highlights your facial feature perfectly. If you want something even bolder, try a faded undercut. Pixie, faded undercut pixie. It keeps the neck cool and requires almost no brushing. Next, let's talk about the short bob. If you want a bit more length but no hassle, the French bob is your best friend. It's designed to look slightly messy and undone. The more natural, the better for those with pin straight hair. A blunt chin length bob is a wash and wear dream. No layers mean no stray hairs sticking out. Just a quick air dry and you look polished and professional in second. For the bravest soul who want zero maintenance, we have the tapered fade and the buzz cut. These styles are trending heavily right now because they incredibly liberating. No blow drying, no curling, no pure style. Pair these with some statement earrings and you have a high fashion look with absolutely no daily work required. Short hair is not just a haircut, it's a lifestyle. Which of these low maintenance looks would you try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video if you are ready for a big job and subscribe for more hair inspiration. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.